And we're back with an awesome surprise. This JT is very famous, and I'm sure you've seen it on our social media. Fully equipped for overlanding, it came in for two main reasons. Let me show you the first one. Fox 3.0, internal bypass DSCAs. These are technically the best shocks bolt-on for a JL or a JT. But the main surprise is under the hood. Boom. Magnuson Supercharger installed on this JT. So smooth. Shifts, gear shifts like butter on toast. You can see how clean it is. It really looks factory. We've done a dual battery system with the bus bars to make it look even cleaner. But it's not as exciting as testing it, so come on, let's take it for a test. It's time we take this beast on a test drive. We need to make sure it's perfect before we hand it over. Usually after installing a supercharger, apart from checking the heat and the error codes and stuff, everything is clear from this point of view. We want to make sure the power delivery is there. Like, you don't want to invest in a supercharger and feel nothing. And most importantly, you want it to be smooth. You want it to react as a factory car. So that's what we're going to do right now. 1, 2. Oh yeah. These superchargers are awesome. Like, this car is extremely heavy. It's a truck with huge tires, huge rims, like bed rack, drawer systems, water tanks, winch, bumpers, rooftop tents, awnings, you name it. And it's finally moving properly. We just received a big shipment of Magnuson Superchargers for JL and JT. If you're interested, get in touch with us. Most of them are already sold, so we've got a few left, and we'd be more than happy to get them installed on your cars and make them beasts.